Hey there, it's Sarah. Wondering if that younger woman is actually interested in you, or is it all just polite conversation? Today, we're zeroing in on the clear signs that a younger woman wants your attention. Stick around for our bonus tip at the end of this video, where we'll reveal an overlooked sign that could significantly shift your understanding of her interest in you. Before we begin, for anyone feeling stuck in the dating world, check out our free 60-minute coaching call. You'll find the link in the description or pinned comment. Now let's dive in. 1. Seeking advice and sharing personal details. When a younger woman starts to open up about her personal life or seeks your advice on serious issues, it's not just casual chat. This is a strong sign she values your opinions and sees you as a figure of wisdom. Consider how she might ask your thoughts on career moves or financial advice, or perhaps she shares details about her family dynamics and personal challenges. This isn't just making conversation. It's her showing trust in your life experience and judgment. This kind of interaction is especially significant given the age difference. She's not turning to peers, but choosing you, possibly because she perceives a depth of understanding and maturity that she respects. It's flattering, right? She's essentially highlighting that your experiences and insights are not only relevant, but also desirable to her. And here's why this matters. By sharing her personal stories and seeking your counsel, she's subtly weaving you into the fabric of her life. It's a clear signal that she's comfortable around you and potentially interested in more than just a superficial connection. So, next time she reaches out for advice or opens up about a personal issue, pay attention. It's an opportunity not only to provide guidance, but to strengthen the connection between you. This isn't just about giving advice, it's about the trust and rapport that comes with it, setting a foundation for whatever might come next in your interactions. 2. Physical closeness and touch. These are powerful indicators of interest. And when a younger woman makes a point of sitting close to you or finds reasons for light, casual touches, these are not random acts. These behaviors are her ways of bridging the gap between you, literally and figuratively. Let's say you're both at a social event. If she chooses to sit next to you despite there being many other options, it's a sign. It shows she prefers your company over others. Or, during a conversation, if she lightly touches your arm or leans in closer than usual while laughing, these are signals that she's comfortable around you and might be interested in more than just talking. This kind of physical closeness can often be more telling than words. It's about the subconscious ways people express their feelings before they even fully realize them themselves. When she reduces that personal space, she's essentially saying she trusts you and enjoys being in your presence. If you find her closing the distance or making gentle contact, take note. It's likely more than just friendly behavior. It's a nonverbal cue that she may see you as more than just a friend. Recognizing and understanding these signs can help you gauge where her interest lies and how you might want to proceed. Keep it relaxed and respectful, and you'll navigate this smoothly. 3. Laughing at your jokes. When a younger woman laughs at your jokes, and maybe laughs a bit harder than the joke warrants, it's a clear indicator that she enjoys your company and appreciates your sense of humor. It's about more than just finding things funny. Her laughter is a signal that she's comfortable around you and genuinely engaged in what you're saying. Laughter is a universal connector, and it's also a way people show their attraction. If she's consistently amused by your anecdotes and cracks up even at your corniest jokes, she's not just being polite. She's showing you that she values your wit and is likely interested in the positivity and joy you bring into interactions. Think about it. Laughter lightens the mood and makes conversations more enjoyable. By frequently laughing when you talk, she's creating a shared, enjoyable experience, which is a foundation for building a closer relationship. It also sets a tone that she's relaxed and open with you, crucial for developing deeper connections. I hope you're finding the video useful so far. If you are, why not show some support? A quick like, a comment, or even a subscribe would mean a lot. Thanks for being part of this journey. 4. Compliments and attention to appearance. Pay attention when she notices changes in your attire, mentions how good you look in a particular outfit, or praises your professional accomplishments. These aren't just polite comments. They are direct indicators that she sees and appreciates your qualities. Compliments are a straightforward way for her to show that she's paying attention to you and what you do. If she points out your new haircut or that sharp new jacket, it's her way of saying she likes how you present yourself. It's also her subtly expressing approval and attraction. This kind of feedback can boost your confidence and reinforce the mutual enjoyment of each other's company. It's not just about surface-level aesthetics either. When she applauds your achievements, whether at work or in personal pursuits, it reflects her respect for your abilities and character. So, when she makes a point to compliment you, see it as more than mere flattery. Consider it a genuine expression of her interest. This is her way of connecting with you and possibly hinting at deeper feelings. Acknowledge these compliments, reciprocate in kind, and use these moments to deepen your conversations and strengthen your connection. If you're enjoying today's video and feel inspired to take your dating life to a new level, don't just watch, take action. Our free 60-minute strategy call is designed specifically for individuals like you. During this session, you'll discover personalized strategies to meet more women, boost your confidence, and make every date count. Tap into the expertise of our seasoned coaches by clicking the link in the pinned comment now. Let's transform your dating life together. 5. Initiating communication. If a younger woman is consistently the first to text or call you, especially if she's sharing updates about her day or asking for your opinion on matters, it's a strong indicator that she values having you in her life. This kind of initiative in communication shows that she's not just responding out of courtesy, but is actively seeking to include you in her daily experiences. When she reaches out first, whether it's a morning text wishing you a good day, a call during her lunch break, or a message sharing something funny that happened, she's bridging any physical distance between you with emotional closeness. This is a key sign of interest, suggesting she's comfortable and eager to foster more connection. Moreover, if she's asking for your thoughts on decisions or experiences, it shows she respects your opinions and considers you a significant influence in her life. This isn't about casual chat. It's her way of making you a part of her world. Take note when you see your phone light up with her name more often than not. This isn't just friendly banter. It's a clear sign she enjoys your interactions and looks forward to your insights. It's a great foundation for building deeper communication and possibly more. Use these opportunities to engage with her genuinely, sharing your life and thoughts in return, and see where the conversation leads. 6. Displaying jealousy. Jealousy, while often seen in a negative light, is actually a natural emotion that can signal someone's fear of losing something valuable to them. In this case, your attention or affection. Consider scenarios where you're chatting with another woman and she appears more attentive, asking who that was or making slightly pointed comments. Maybe she changes her demeanor, becoming quieter or more withdrawn, or she might even tease you about your interactions in a playful but pointed manner. These responses can all be signs that she's not just casually interested, but genuinely concerned about her standing with you. This isn't about possessiveness, but rather about her subconscious expression of liking you enough to want your focus mostly on herself. It shows that your interactions with others are important to her, and she values the unique connection you both share. This can be a pivotal moment in understanding not just how she feels, but how much she values the relationship dynamic you share. Use these moments to gauge how deeply connected you both are and how you might want to nurture this budding interest. For our bonus tip, let's talk about how her curiosity about your past can be a significant indicator of her interest in a more serious relationship with you. When a younger woman asks about your previous relationships, major life choices, or even challenges you've faced, it's not just small talk. This level of inquiry often suggests she's thinking about where she could fit into your life long term. It's one thing to chat about your favorite movies or how you like to spend your free time. It's another when the questions turn to subjects like your past heartbreaks, what you learned from previous relationships, or how you've navigated big life transitions. These conversations show she's trying to understand your journey and your character deeply. Her interest in these aspects of your life means she's considering how well your past experiences and her expectations for the future align. It's about her seeing a potential future with you and considering what a long-term commitment might look like. So when she takes the time to dive deep into your history, view it as more than curiosity. It's a sign she values you and is potentially evaluating the compatibility for a deeper, lasting connection. This is a good moment to share openly and honestly, as these exchanges can strengthen your bond and give both of you a clearer picture of what a future together might entail. So now that you know how to tell that she wants your attention, what's next for you? Discover how to read her body language, or learn the phrases she uses when interested in you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.